Threaded cap design makes installation easy. Added back weighting helps achieve balance. Compatible with Plus series grips. 50 grams CounterCore weight and wrench for any CounterCore or Plus series putter grip. All new CounterCore putter grips come equipped with a 50 grams weight. Plus series grips do not include any weight, you will need to order it separately. Top reviews from the United States. Counterweight your putter. If you have the SS grips that have the grip, you owe it to yourself to test a counterweight. These allow you to try it without buying the heavy grip and being stuck with a 100G grip. 9110G grip weight is a good aim, so check what your SS grip weighs and add the correct weight. If you want a starting point, get the 50G to really feel the difference, and if you feel you need to go lighter, go 2575 for more weight. The difference is a putting stroke that is smooth and without a hitch. Try it.